Hey guys, I'm Jason Cameron and I am on the set of Secret Celebrity Renovation. And in this particular episode, we're helping actor, comedian, singer, game show host. This guy does it all, Wayne Brady. And Wayne is giving back to his aunt. Secret Celebrity Renovation is all about a celebrity giving back to somebody in their past who helped them along the way. I really love that. And Wayne is all about his aunt. And that's where we are. We're at his aunt's house. And this is reveal day. This is all about reveal today. So they're gonna see it for the first time. We're in the backyard and I'm actually on an amazing product. This is synthetic grass. This is their HD line from ForeverLawn. And I'm a huge fan of ForeverLawn. Everything synthetic turf they do, and they do it really, really well, the best. So this particular product, people walk by and they're just blown away that this is not real grass. You can't tell by looking at it. And it's got a 15-year warranty. It's amazing, it's comfortable, it's hypoallergenic. If you have dogs, they love it. It's always green, you never have to water it. And then you've got the pavilion in the background, so once they see this, they're gonna be really blown away. So I wanna thank ForeverLawn and ForeverLawn Central Florida. Steve and his crew came in and did an amazing job. They really are top notch when it comes to customer service, but their products are bar none. They're the best. So thank you guys very much. I can't wait to show Wayne and his aunt, and they're gonna be here any minute now, so make sure you check it out, but thanks again.